Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marustech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how to set up for your Tunnel Lite VPN application in all countries, all devices, all networks for a fast, a secure and stable internet access. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. So let me know in the comment section which device you are using, which network, which country are you from, so that I can provide you with the best settings. So that is it. First and foremost, like the tutorial, subscribe, and then open Google Play Store. Once you open Google Play Store, you accept to be connected to a secure connection by Marustech. So you're going to give us permission so that we can establish for you a secure connection by following up with the procedures we are going to be giving you in this tutorial. So search in your search bar, activate it, and then search for you Tunnel Lite. By searching for your Tunnel Lite, you are accepting in your mind that you're going to be connected to a fast, a secure and stable internet access. So download, and then after downloading, install that application on your device. After installing, you're going to open, allow the notification and permission. First and foremost, this has been the major problem why most people are not yet connected to our fast and stable internet access secure connection. You guys you don't want to allow the notification permission. So allow the notification permission. After allowing it, you're going to be connected to our fast and secure internet connection. That is it. You're going to accept to be connected to our internet by checking OK, and then you're going to join our Telegram channel. But for purposes of demonstration, you're going to, or for demonstration purposes, I'm going to check later. Keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and community guidelines. First and foremost, we are going to start our tutorial by going in the top left corner right here. I'm pointing, and then click on those dashes, and then we're going to choose this option, which is update the resources. Keep in mind that once we don't update the resources, this application won't connect. So if you see this message that no update available, that means you're on the right track. Just you are remaining with few seconds to be connected to our secure internet. So you're going to come where you see the auto select server. By choosing auto select server, you are going to be redirected to these servers. There are 8 servers, but I recommend you guys to choose a server that is near to your country's location, or that is your country's location. But in this tutorial, for this first time, I'm going to be recommending you guys to be using this server 4 because it is just new. Then after, you're going to come where you see Wi-Fi and data, SSL premium, and then check that one. Then you're going to look for your country's server by scrolling down, and then look for your country's server. But I don't recommend you guys to be looking for your country's server when we can connect to a fast server like this one. Let me show you. Allow me to you guys to show you this server. I will introduce it when I type in the search bar. I'm going to search UDP, and then once I search UDP in that search bar, I'm going to be showing you this server. It will be fast on your device. You'll be able to use it so that you can connect to a secure internet. Choose that server, and then once you choose the server, you come where you see this round start icon. Check into that one, accept the connection request, and then give it some few seconds to connect. Give it some few seconds to connect. Now you can try to restart. You can try to like that to reconnect again, and then give it some few seconds to connect. Now, what if it fails to connect? If it fails to connect like it has done right here, you're going to come where you see UDP server. Then in those servers, we're going to change to auto select server, and then you're going to come again right here. I wanted to show you that because once you don't follow up with that, you will keep regretting that these servers are not working. As you see, it has connected successfully. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share. Now, if it fails to connect again on your device and you have done all that, you can restart watching the video, or you can rewatch the video again. You can try to clear the update, clear the cake, allow the notification information, and you can allow join the Telegram channel. You can also try to restart your device. If you are in Uganda, you can. That means you didn't activate KYC. You can inbox us. Our contacts are in the bio, so that we can activate for you KYC at a cheaper price of 20k. You can also try to buy land from home bundles, but they are expensive than KYC. Think about it. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maustek and I sign out.